Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to sew this slant pants pockets. If it's something you're interested in, then let's get started. I have this short cut out. This is my pocket. I already cut out 2 pieces for this. On my waistline, I'm going to notch the short by 2 inches. From the 2 inches point to the other point, I'm going to use a paper stay on it. I'll do the same for both front piece. After that, I'll just trim off that excess paper stay. I'll be attaching the pocket to the shorts. I'll put the pockets under the shorts and make sure they align. Just watch how I did it. I'll go to my sewing machine and sew a slant line. This is how it looks like once I was done sewing. From that point right there, I'm going to go in by 1/2 inch. I'm going to mark it on my shorts. Then I'm going to cut my shorts to that 1/2 inch. From the 2 inches notch on my waistline to the other point, I'm going to fold them. After that, I'll go into my sewing machine and stitch it. This is what it looked like after I'm done stitching it. I'm going to turn the shorts to the other side and I'm going to stitch down my shorts to my pockets. After I'm done with that, I'm going to fold the shorts on the pocket. Remember the 2 inches we marked on the shorts. I'll do the same for the pocket. I'm going to measure 2 inches on the pocket side. I'm going to place my short on the 2 inches and make sure the other side align with the pockets. After that, I'll lift up my short. Then I'll go down by probably 1/2 inch. Then I'll notch it by 1/2 inch too. I'm going to turn it to the other side. From the notch points, I'm going to sew it round to the end of the pocket. After sewing, I'm going to trim off that side so it won't be bulky when I turn it over. I'm going to turn the pocket in. I'll go to my sewing machine to top stitch the pockets. This is how it should look like once you are done sewing it. I'm going to fold my pockets. I'm going to pleat it under the short. The reason I'm doing this is that I don't want the pocket to be an issue when I'm sewing the zip flap. Then I'll go to my sewing machine to sew the line. I'll also stitch that place on the pockets. This is how it should look like once you are done. You can go ahead and interlock that side and add your back piece to that side too. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.